Hi, Dad. You know Joe the dog. Look at this beautiful little path. It's like a Parisian lane. I'm just gonna stop for a second. Beautiful area. We have a sun-like phenomenon, but it just has the brightness without the heating part. So, we're halfway there. And I'm being pulled by a very instinctive dog. Walter, the previous dog, who met this guy for 2 months before he died, was the same breed, but much more domesticated. This guy seems to be very instinctive, and although I could discipline him not to pull, it's a great workout for him. It's what he likes to do, so I let him do it. It may look like I'm running, but I'm actually just standing, being pulled